Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Unbounce account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unpublish a landing page in your Unbounce account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to unpublish a landing page in your Unbounce account anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, including affiliate marketing, you know that sometimes the landing pages are no longer relevant or the offer has expired, so you need to unpublish that page. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Unbounce account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Unbounce account, and this is the home page. Now, in order to unpublish a landing page, make sure you've clicked on Pages here on the top left. Once you've done that, it's going to show all the landing pages you have in Unbounce. You can see I have these two. So first, you want to go ahead and scroll through until you find the landing page you want to unpublish. So we'll choose this one right here. And here to the right, what you're going to do is click on these three little dots. So once you click on those three dots, you're going to see this drop down menu. And as you can see, there is no option for unpublish. You can, of course, go ahead and delete the page. However, if you might use this landing page as a draft or as a template, I wouldn't really recommend that. So in order to unpublish, what you want to do is go ahead and click on the name of the landing page. You can see it lights up in blue. Okay, so once you click into there, it's going to bring you here to the overview of that landing page. And here on the top right, you want to click on this blue button, Unpublish. All right, once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to unpublish this landing page in your Unbounce account? If you're okay with that, click on Unpublish. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this button up here says publish. So this URL is no longer going to work, and it's going to stop tracking any kind of conversions or views to that landing page. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unpublish a landing page in your Unbounce account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.